Hey beauties! Welcome back. Today, I'm sharing 3 amazing glow-up toners that will completely transform your skin: rice toner, cucumber toner, and turmeric toner. Each one gives your skin a natural, healthy glow using simple ingredients right from your kitchen. Let's start with rice toner. Rice water is known as the ancient secret of glowing and youthful skin. Helps brighten the complexion, reduce dark spots, and tighten pores. Regular use leaves your skin smoother, clearer, and naturally radiant. Next, we have the cucumber toner. This is a true skin refresher. Cucumber deeply hydrates your skin, calms redness, and soothes irritation. It's perfect for oily or sun-exposed skin and keeps your face looking fresh and cool all day long. Finally, the turmeric toner. This golden beauty is full of antioxidants and antibacterial power. It helps fade acne marks, even out skin tone, and bring back that golden glow. It's your go-to toner for clear, bright, and healthy-looking skin. You can easily use any of these toners twice a day, morning and night, after cleansing your face. Just spray it directly or apply it with a cotton pad for the best results. These toners are 100% natural, super easy to make, and work like magic with consistent use. So choose your favorite and start your glow-up journey today. Thank you for watching. If you love DIY skincare and natural beauty tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. See you in the next one. Stay glowing.